Hello and welcome to Geeks for Geeks. In this session, we will discuss about order by class in SQL. In a very good logical sequence, we will burst everything about order by class with a set of practice queries and a couple of interview questions as well. Hope you are excited. So let's get started without any delay. First of all, what is this order by class? The order by class is used to arrange the fetched data from the database table in either ascending or descending order of the data values based on one or more columns. For example, if you want to store the records of employees in increasing order of their salaries, or if you want to display the student details as per increasing order of their marks or attendance, or if you want to display the employee details based on their seniority level, for all these requirements, the order by class is required. Now let's see a couple of queries. In this, we are going to sort our table based upon the single column. The first question is display the names, salaries of all employees based on descending order of their salaries. We have a table EMP which involves 7 columns and 7 rows. That means we have 7 values. So how can you display names and salaries of employees in the decreasing order of their salaries? Select, we want only names, salary from table, EMP table. Just use this order by class at the end. After the select statement, just to specify the order by class, order space by, we need to sort the data based on decreasing order of their salary. Order by sal, which order? Decreasing order, just to specify desk. So this is a general syntax. In fact, select column names from column names from table. At the end, order by the column that you want to sort the records, followed by the whether you can specify whether you want increasing order or decreasing order. So if you don't specify anything, by default it will be increasing order of values. Let's compile this query. This is how it works. So first, the record which is having the highest salary is fetched first, followed by the next highest salary, followed by the next highest salary. In that way, the values are fetched from highest to the lowest salary at the end. For this requirement, we use order by class. So now we'll take one more question. The next question is display the department number and employee name as per increasing order of the department numbers. So how can you do that? Select ename, sal, any columns, whatever it may be, ename, sal, department number, or you can display all the columns by using asterisk as well. From EMP, order by department numbers. Now it is as it is the increasing order of department numbers, then you did not specify anything. First, the details of 10th department are specified, followed by 20th department, at the end 30th department. Hope you are getting clarity about this order by class. So display the details of all employees as per increasing order of department numbers, that we have already did, as per increasing order of their names and hire date. First we will do names, then followed by hire date. So now we will display all the details, not only select star from EMP, star in the sense we need to display all the columns. Order by ename. We can also sort the data based on string values also, no problem. So B, C, F, J, K. So it will consider mostly the first value. So if there is a match between the first two values, it will consider for the next value. If there is a common values for both, then it will consider the next values. For example, if you see Scott and Smith, both are starting with S, then which one it should display first? First, the next letter is C. That's why first C is displayed, followed by Smith, because the next letter is C. M follows C. This is how it works. So you can also sort the data based on character values as well. So this is how we can do. We will try to sort the data based on hire date. See, hire date is a column that is present in the EMP table. So now what we have did is that we have displayed the values in increasing order of hire date. That means the old value, the old date will be given the first preference, because 1980, if you consider 1980 is smaller than 1981. Whenever it compares values, 80 is lesser to 81, but as per the format of date, 80 is greater than 81. The question might be, he might also ask the same question in display the employee details in based on experience, because the employee who have joined in the year 1980 will be the senior most employee. Next, followed by 81. In 81, again the data is sorted based on April, May, June, November, December, followed by 87. So based on date column also we are able to sort data. So the question may be related to seniority level of the experience. From he might ask you to display the details in junior to senior employees. So anything here he can ask you. Generally, data is sorted according to a single column. That means we have so far specified only one column in the order by class, but we can specify more than one column. See, what happens is that when you specify more than one column, first the data is sorted based on the first column. Again, the data is sorted internally based on the second column. The first sorted column will be internally sorted based on second. For example, if you want to display the details of employees based on increasing order of departments, and in turn each department salary should be further arranged in highest to lowest order. For example, I'm arranging the details of 10th, 20 and 30 department. In 10th department, we are having 4 employees related to 10th department. See, all the 4 employees of the 10th department in turn arranged in increasing order or decreasing order of their salaries. Select from EMP order by department number, and also again sort internally salary wise. See, what happens is that all the first 10th department data values are displayed. First, again in the 10th department, records are fetched so that 2450 and 5000. That means in 10th department itself there is one more level of sorting. That means increasing order of salaries, the 10th department data is displayed. So similarly with 20th department, you can see 8000, 2975, 3000. Internal sorting is observed here. This happens when you use more than one column in the order by class. There is no restriction. You can use any number of columns. So the mechanism is that first outermost column will be sorted, then the data is further sorted internally, and so on. One more thing is that you can also use where class along with order by. You can also filter the data, then use a where by order by class. No restriction. For example, the query is display the names, salaries and jobs of employees who are working as manager in highest to lowest order. That means in decreasing order, we need to display the values of names, salaries and jobs of managers. So how can we write this query? Select ename, sal and job from EMP, just to specify order by class. Sal, he have asked us to sort the data based on highest to lowest order. That means the decreasing order of their values, so that you need to specify explicitly. Now all the records are fetched as per increasing order of their salaries, but we want only the details of employees. So before order by, you need to specify a where class, where job is equal to manager. Now that means the where class will filter the data. That means only the records of managers are fetched and the remaining records are eliminated. Then the data is sorted as per decreasing order of their salaries. This is how it works. First 2975, 2850, 2450, and we have got only the details of manager. Remember, whenever you are using the where class, it must precede the order by class. That means you must place it before the order by class, not after. Next concept is that you can also specify column numbers in order by class. For example, instead of column names, you can use the position of the column in the table. So for example, select star from EMP. Employee number first column, ename second column, job third column, mjob fourth column, fifth column is hided and sixth column is salary. I can do something like this. Select star from EMP, order by 6. 6 in the cells, the sixth column of the table is salary. Now the data is fetched based on increasing order of salaries. That's it. Now if you want to sort the data based on increasing order of department number and internally based on their salaries, that means how can you do that? 8, 6. The 8th column is department number and the 6th column is salary. So the concept is very simple. You can use the relative column numbers as well. Not only names, you can use column numbers as well. Next one is sorting data based on expression. For example, he might ask you to something like that: display the names, jobs and annual salary and hire date of all employees based on decreasing order of their annual salary. Generally the annual salary column is not present in the table. That means only the salary column will be present, but you need to generate annual salary by using some expressions. Select ename, job, sal, hire date. What is annual salary? Annual salary is nothing but sal multiplied by 12 as annual salary. I can give any name. So data generated for this expression would be displayed with the name as ANNSAL from EMP. So 5000 into 12, 60,000. right? So each value of the salary column will be multiplied by 12 and then displayed with each row as well. Now we can also perform operation based on this annual salary column. Actually this annual salary column is not stored physically in the table. It's a display purpose column, but based on this column also we are able to sort data. Order by sal desk in a sense descending order, right? Now we have sorted the data based on annual salary, that is a column that is generated based on an expression. Like this you can generate any expression and sort the data. So hope we have solved a number of questions. So with this we have come to an end of the discussion. Hope you have enjoyed the session. Thanks for being with us. Have a great day.